Alright guys, welcome back to the Big Unknown. Tonight we're literally got two locations that we're going to. The first one, which we're now going to head to, is basically an old barn stable looking building with an outhouse attached to it. The second one's massive. It's basically a massive farm with everything just left there, like someone's just upped and gone. Really creepy. I know Claire is really nervous about that one. That's why we're saving it till last, so it's later at night as well.
Yay.
She thinks I'm gonna let her get freaked out, but I won't. I'll make sure she's fine. Yeah, so we're now gonna head there now. Hopefully we'll catch some really good paranormal activity, and yeah, let's see what we get. Yeah, so we're literally now heading to the first location now. It literally is probably about a quarter mile up the road now. So we're literally heading there now. Get the first one out of the way, get Claire in the mood for it, because I know she's really nervous, so...
I don't want to go.
Yeah, I really hope we get some good footage, so that'll be good.
The first one I'm really looking forward to, because it is more out of the way. The second one I'm not looking forward to, because it's literally like someone has just up and left their house.
Yeah. It's very creepy. Looks like it's black mould and asbestos. Well, might be asbestos, I'm not saying there is. But all the windows are smashed in anyway, so there's good ventilation there, so we should be alright. As long as we're not there for too long.
Definitely black mold.
Yeah, definitely black mould there, but it's creepy, honestly. We went there during the day to get some B-roll. Yeah, and it was creepy during the day. Claire was like, oh, I don't like this during the day, but it's good.
Like there's literally food there.
Yeah, there's food, tins, everything. Like, literally, it's like someone's just disappeared.
Furniture.
Just left it, like time stands still.
Like China has been left there, furniture has been left there, there's newspapers, like magazines and stuff there.
Yeah, so we'll head to this stables, outhouse building, see if we can find anything there, and then we'll do a proper big investigation at the abandoned farm, basically. They're in Aberdeenshire, but that's as much as I'm going to tell you, so I don't want the places to get any more ruined than what they are. Unless hopefully we'll catch some awesome evidence tonight. Right guys, we're now at the first location. We're now going to head up from the car, and I'll lead the way. Do you want to follow me this time?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Here we go. No, I won't be able to because there's a mound in the centre in there. Just follow where I walk. How you feeling now? We're here.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous, are you?
Yeah, I'm really nervous.
Yeah. You'll be fine.
I don't think it's going to be like as bad as I think.
Yeah. I'm saying, I'm just turning the IR light up there. Just watch your foot.
Yeah.
Ouch. That was definitely thorny. Do you want to get your torch out for you?
No.
Oh, you good? Is it this way or that way?
We went that way.
I'll tell you guys. So look. Trying to find where our footprints are from earlier. I think it's this way. Oh, feels deeper now than it did earlier on.
Yeah.
Right, you got your torch over.
Oh my god, you think that you're gonna need this one?
Yeah. Right, there's a step here. That freaked me out then.
Yeah, I can see where you're leaning.
That looked like there's someone leaning out from the wall then.
Is that anyone here?
there's any spirits here that like to communicate.
Or humans.
Well, preferably not humans. If there is humans here, just let us know and we'll leave. I'm definitely going to have to just get my torch out a second. Right, you going to come?
Yeah. Remember the bird.
Yeah. Yeah, basically Claire reminded me when we're here during the day, there's a little bird that can't fly. It's just following us around like a dog. But obviously it's hiding now because it's night time. Claire?
Yeah.
Did you touch that door?
No. It's always been like that, stuck.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I tried when we first came here.
Yeah. Have you gone down to the end?
No.
Can you go down to the end?
Yeah.
Oh, is there a wire or something there?
Yeah, there's a wire there.
Oh, I won't go there.
It wasn't there when we came
Yeah.
this morning. It was like up, but the wind wasn't pushed up.
Yeah. Right. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just literally just now turned on the spirit box. As soon as I put it on, it just came free, but unfortunately we weren't recording at that point. So, again. Is there any spirits there that like to communicate? What are your names? How many spirits are here? Someone's trying to come through, but...
Can you talk more clearly?
Is there any spirits that want to communicate? Is this here to communicate? Come with the utmost respect, we're just here to communicate and just to get evidence of the afterlife. Maybe see if female holding up.
Hello? You just want to talk and say hi. How many people are here with us? Can you say that again?
Can you say it a bit more clearly?
Yeah.
What is your name, please?
Bye.
Oh, thank you for that little communication. We'll leave you in peace now. Yeah, that's all blocked off, but the entrance to that bit is actually stinging nettles, so
Yeah.
Do you want me to go first, or do you want to go first?
You can go first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just been raining. Did you just hear that?
Are you sure it was my feet? I would get stuck.
What was that for you though? That noise?
It's like a squelchy.
Okay, yeah, that was you then. Oh. I thought it might have been a nail I just stood on then.
As you guys can see, some people have been here graffitiing.
Yeah. Yeah, that door leaning there freaked me out. I thought there was someone stood in there. You gonna stay here while I go down in here? Or do you want to come down?
Yeah.
No, if you want to come down, you can. Huh? Just watch the step, there's quite a step. Yeah. See?
Yeah. Okay.
Well, just be careful of the wood because there could be a nail sticking out.
Oh, yeah. There's more bits.
Yeah.
Forgot about
Was that you that just made that noise?
Yeah, we're good. Oh my god, a bird, 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 a bird,
Alright,
bird,
alright.
scared of birds, scared of birds, scared of birds.
Okay, Claire.
Oh my god, I'm scared of birds, I'm scared of birds.
Okay, Claire. It's just birds. Seriously, you just gave me a heart attack, a fucking bird.
I don't like birds.
Bat, fair enough, but fucking bird.
I don't like birds.
Nah, that's evident on that fucking reaction.
Oh god. Fun fact about me guys, I don't like birds. Or anything that flies. Anything flies, I don't like it.
It's probably that bird that was following us around during the day.
Well, I can fucking fly.
Yeah, we didn't think it could, but it's obviously just not used to people coming in here.
Yeah.
What the heck? That's some
Yeah.
of a horror movie. Fucking Hook.
Lovely.
Is your heart slowed down now?
No, it's gone up. I'm not built for this.
Yeah, like we did say, guys, this is a very small location.
Yeah.
It's just to get us warmed up, basically. But yeah, the bird was in that part of it, wasn't it?
Oof. God, I don't like birds. Hate them. Sorry if you own a bird, people, but yeah.
I don't know, I'm going to say they're not for me either.
Not my friends at all.
Yeah, we can't get to another part of the building. It's just literally stinger nettles all the way from there to there, which is the only way to get to it. Is there any spirits here? Oh, I'll tell you what we could do. Oh, night vision's gone. There we go. Yeah, what we're going to do actually, guys, because it's a small location, I'm going to try it at the REM pod. See, because we did actually get a few voices, but you couldn't make out what they were saying. So I'll get the REM pod out now and see if we can catch any electromagnetic fields coming in its proximity. Just trying to look to see where we could actually put it down.
It's very dirty down here.
Oh, no, I'm about to put it on the floor. Must be a bit. You got your torch on? Can you shine over it?
I was thinking on one of the beams.
No, that's too high. People couldn't fly back in the day. Can you hold the back for us while I open it?
Stopped recording.
Yeah, that's fine. You hold it, make sure you hold it up. Just.
I think it's the wind.
Why? What did you hear then?
That moving.
Alright.
I think it's the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah, the wind.
Yeah, it's the wind.
Or the bird.
Yeah. Yeah, torch out my face now. Right, if there's any spirits here, can you go towards the device I just placed there? It'll pick up your electromagnetic field.
Is anyone here with us? Who wants to communicate? Even just a hello?
It won't harm you in any way, it's just to pick up your electromagnetic field. Just shows that there's a presence here. Or if you can move the door that's on the wall there.
Are you upset that people are coming here to graffiti all over the walls of the building?
Torch down there. How are you feeling?
Not as bad as I thought.
Yeah?
Yeah, not as bad.
Yeah. Just bizarre getting some voices but nothing on the REM pod again. It's one thing, I've never caught anything on this REM pod. Alright, I think it's time to go to the next location, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can add the voices for the video.
Alright guys, basically we've tried the spirit box, as you know. Got a few voices but can really hear them. Tried the REM pod, absolutely nothing, but that's no surprise to me. Since I bought it, I've not actually got anything from it. It's meant to pick up electromagnetic fields coming in the proximity to the aerial, but never got anything, except from when I put my hand there. But I think that's it. Claire's scared out of her wits by the birds, so we better get going, yeah?
Also, the other thing is that we don't know if we're hearing sounds or if it's the bird just moving.
Yeah.
'Cause there's a
Or,
few times.
yeah, there is a few noises we might be able to pick up when we edit this actual.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, there's either birds, the wind, or there is actually just someone walking around outside like playing funny buggers. But yeah, we'll now head to the next location now,
Which you're most excited about.
which I'm really excited about.
I am not.
Well, I'll say I'm a little bit scared as well because it is freaky. You'll see by the footage.
I just don't understand why someone would just pick up all of their stuff. It's honestly, it reminds me of Chernobyl when people just picked up all of their stuff and left.
Time stands
like
stills.
that. It's crazy. Old
Yeah.
car, even outside as well.
It is that bad. We'll show you. But we'll head there now.
There's a plank of wood here.
Yeah, can you shine the torch so I can see? There we go.
Here.
I just heard something just as I was leaving then.
Really?
Yeah. Could have been the bird though.
I'm just there.
Yeah.
No, there's another one there. Up this way.
Yeah, still left. Way up. Seriously. Know who would run and leave the other person to fucking snuff it, eh? Well, I just heard something again then. I just heard something again then. Hello?